Hey guys, it's been a while I posted a tutorial here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this liquid glass button in PixelLab. Yeah, alright, no long talk. Let's get straight to today's business. So I'm going to clear this off, and I think I already have a background which I'm going to use. I'm going to use the same background like the one I showed you before. So I'll clear this off. Alright, so first thing first, the reason I choose this background is because I want it to, so that when we are putting anything on this background, it will be very visible. So add a shape, a square, right, and increase the radius to 50, then your opacity to 0. Scroll and go to stroke. Take your stroke to about 2. Then instead of the normal color, we are going to change it to gradient. Tap on this, then this is the angle we want it. So one side of this shape is going to be transparent. So take this right here and click OK. Then this other side, we are going to give it a grayish color, somewhat grayish, and like this. Then I'm just going to take this slider a little bit forward like this and click OK. So what is going to happen is I'm going to position this like this. Let me increase it a little bit again. Alright, okay, we have something like this. Now we are still going to edit this. Still going to edit it. Alright, I think this is okay. This is fine. I'm going to lock it. Lock. And what is going to happen is I'll still copy it. Just tap on this and copy. Or you can come down here and you see copy. So I'm going to rotate it and bring it to the same position as the first one. Yeah, so that I can align perfectly, and also make sure you lock it. Now after doing that, I'm going to duplicate it again, and this time I will go to edit, and I'm going to take the opacity to something like, let's say, okay, let's leave it at 20. We might still end up changing it. Then the stroke, I'm going to remove the stroke. Then the color is still going to be that gray. Let's increase the opacity again a little bit. Alright, I think that's okay. Go to your layers panel and drag this one below. Yeah, and just position it at the same position. Copy it again, and this time just place it above here like this. Okay, I think we are getting there already. Then what is going to happen is I'm going to duplicate these shapes again. I'm going to duplicate this. So this time around, instead of the gradient which I gave the stroke, I'm going to use this color so that there will be nothing in between, right? I don't know if you get that. So this is what I mean. So tap on that, edit. Now we are going to scroll and There we go to blur radius. As you can see, this blur radius, I'm going to increase the blur radius to 15, if that's okay. Then I'm going to also increase the stroke to about 5. I'll increase it to 5, something like that, and I'll hit OK. As you can see, the shape is already, it has a kind of subtle glow. So let me reduce that a little bit. I don't want it to be much. I think this is okay. This is fine. Yeah, I think this is okay. This is okay. So I just want to, I want to reduce, I want to reduce the opacities of some of this thing. Instead of that 35, let's leave it at 30. And this one also, leave it at 30. All right. Okay, I think that's taking shape. What is going to happen next is we are going to add shape again, and this time we are going to choose a circle. I'm going to choose a circle, and I'm going to give this circle a gradient also. Going to give it this gradient. So give it that gradient and place it somewhere like this. Just place it somewhere like this. All right, lock it so that it doesn't move, doesn't then go to under text here, just add text, edit it. Now look for the forward arrow. I don't know what it's actually called. This stuff here, just type it here like this and hit OK. Then I'm going to use the relative button to center it so that I can push it. Just push it somewhere like this, something like this. Then go to style, under style, choose the bold. We want it to be well seen, to be seen very well. So then just place it very well. Okay. Now if you saw the previous one, the first one before this, you find out that there's some kind of like flare. There's some kind of flare on the button, something like that. So to add that flare, just under the shape tool here, go to sticker, and under the sticker we are just going to scroll and look for some of those flare lights or whatever. Yeah, so I'm going to pick this one. Just tap on the screen and you got it. So something like this. I'm just going to tilt it a little bit. Just tilt it like this. Use the position tool to properly position it. Okay, then copy it and do the same on this other side. Just press it properly. Then reduce the opacity of the light. Reduce the opacity to say uh let's leave it at 65. Then this other one, do the same, reduce it to 65. Reduce it to 65 and click OK. So just lock them, and then you can go ahead and type slide, like the slide button. I'll change the font. So let me choose this. Okay, I think let me choose stretch pro. I'll choose this one, and I'm just going to place it somewhere around here. Okay, I think that does not stand very well with it. Let's go back. Put it here. So I'll come to the layers panel and select this light, and also select this one, and center them. Center it. Don't worry, we are going to move it again, and yeah, so something like this. And okay, then you can just go ahead. I added a shadow, although that's not necessary, but if you feel like you can do that to give it some kind of depth. So I'm just going to add shadow. I'll reduce the opacity. Let me reduce the opacity. Say, let me leave it something like this. And that is how to create this liquid glass button in PixelLab. And the reason I call it glass is because it's actually transparent. If I add a shape now, let me give this shape a black color. So this is a black shape. If I send this shape back, if I send this shape to back, you can still see the reflection there. You can see that, right? So anything that is behind this glass, you will be able to see it. That's why it's called a glass shape. It's transparent. So that's how to create a glass button in PixelLab. If you understood this, if you got this perfectly, please drop a comment. And if you still did not understand the process, please still drop a comment and let me know. I'll be willing to assist you. All right, see you guys later.